How to fix cannot connect to App Store on iPhone. If you are seeing this error, then here is a step-by-step guide to fix it. So first of all you have to do is check the internet connection. Simply drag down the control center from the top right corner of your screen and check the internet connection. Make sure you are connected to stable Wi-Fi or cellular network, or you can simply open Safari and try loading a website to verify the internet access. So now once our internet is checked, all we have to do is go back to the home screen and restart your iPhone. Hold the power button and volume button until you see slide to power off appears, slide to turn off, wait for 10 seconds, then turn it back on. Sometimes a simple restart can fix so many glitches in the iPhone. So now once done so, let's simply check the Apple system status. Open any web browser on your device, then type down the Apple system status, then search for it and you can see system status option available at the top. Tap on it and check and make sure the App Store is not down. If App Store is down in Apple system status, then it will show it here. So there is no problem within your phone or your software. The App Store has been down for a while, but here in our case the App Store is perfect. So now simply open the settings app, then scroll down and tap on the general option available in there. Inside general, all you have to do is tap on the software update option available there. Inside software update, install any available updates. Sometimes an update comes up with the bug fixing. So now once update has been done, go back, scroll, tap on the transfer or reset iPhone, then tap on the reset all settings. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.